So now I'm going to show you how Tip Booth works, how to set it up, how to take payments, and some other little nifty tricks too. So the first thing you need to do is go to the link, and when you do, you will arrive at a page like this, and then you need to click this blue box that will say add. Probably worth noting that you will need to have signed up to Koji's platform, which is free before this, and set up. Then once you've clicked this, a box is going to pop up. So this is your Tip Booth, and the first thing you want to do is select an image. So you can design a funky image. This is going to display on the background of your Tip Booth like this. So you can use GIFs or you can make your own. I've made my own, added it, and then we put in the title. So you can call this anything you like. I'm just going to put support my channel for now. Scroll down and you can change the background color of the button and the text too, and then write in a nice little thank you message like so. So anyone who donates will be able to see it. Then click on next and you can see what your app will look like when someone has clicked on it. Then what you want to do is add a little thumbnail. So you can use a GIF or a logo. I'm going to use a GIF here, someone throwing money. And what this is going to do, it's going to display on your wall, which you'll see in a minute. Then we want to change the Koji app name to whatever you want to call it. Tip Booth, support the channel, give me money now. That's up to you. And press publish. And that's what it will look like there. So you see that little man spraying, making it rain with the cash? That was the little thumbnail image. That's it. You just share that link with people and they'll be able to just donate money to you. But now let's look at how to set up the crowdfunding side of things. So click on your Tip Booth and then go to Manage, Start Fundraiser. And then what you do is select an image. Now go and find the image of the item you're trying to raise. If it's a camera, you can just get it from a website like this. Add it, then name the fundraising title and add a description. Now I think this description is quite important. Put some effort into it. Let them know the value it'll add. If they're not creators already, they probably won't understand the value a new camera or mic will bring. So write something, space it out nicely so it's easy to read, set in the goal you need to buy the kit, and then hit save. And that's it. Then what you'll see is this. So you can toggle the project on and off by clicking this button, and you can even then add another fundraiser if you like by clicking this and then repeating the process. So this is a mic this time, we'll fill it out, put in the goal, and now you can turn them on and off depending on what you want to do. So if you get funded, you can turn it off and move on to the next one, but you can't have two at once. And this is what it will look like when someone clicks on your link and goes to support your crowdfunding campaign. So when someone supports, this is what they'll see. They can type in the amount, they can type in the note to you. They don't have to put in their email if they don't want. It's really easy. Press donate, and there we are. Type in the payment number, and that's what it will look like. The bar fills up as you get closer to your goal, and then you'll be able to see that you've got money pending, and then you'll be able to see it down here too. And then when you want to withdraw funds, you simply click on withdraw funds, and you can take it out via your PayPal if you like. But also, if you click on manage up here on your main page, go to apps and links, you can start to add other apps too. So Koji, the guys that have made this for me, make other apps that you can also add to this wall. And there's some others that help you monetize your following as well as some games and some fun other things. So it's worth checking that out. And then also what you want to be doing is adding things like your Twitter handle or your social media. So if you scroll down to the bottom here, it says add external link. I'm going to put my Twitter in mine, paste a little picture in. It looks like now I've added certain things to it. And you can also go and change like the style. If you go on manage, then edit profile, go to style here. You can make it look pretty cool, different animations and stuff. You can make your own custom one. I like the whole dark mode vibe. That green works with my colors too. And then there's some options. Hit save, always hit save. And there we have it. There's mine with my Tip Booth at the top, which now looks like this. And then what I'm going to do is take my link over to my YouTube channel. I'm going to go to customization in the settings, basic info, and I'm going to put my link in here. And then that will be the link in the banner where people can then click on it. Happy days.